Okay, so we got some harder problems here. There's four of them, and then there's going to be these in your Schoology quiz when you take it. So we got to take a look at what do we do when we're dealing with a situation where it doesn't ask for something straightforward. So it says, what's the blue shaded area, which is kind of like almost the top of an ice cream cone there. But before I can start this, I got to realize what do I need to do. So to do this, I have to get the area of sector CAB, and I got to subtract triangle CAB. I need two areas to actually solve this problem. So let's see here. Let me think this out. So sector area is the angle over 360 times pi r squared. So the angle CAB, gotta make sure it's in the center. So it is. So 97 over 360 times pi, and then the radius is 21. So that's no problem. So pi times 21 squared. So then I'm going to take that in the calculator. So 97 over 360 times pi times, got the radius already, 21? Yeah, 21 squared. So there's that area, 373.299. So 373.299. And I got to find the area of the triangle. Now I got to think here. Area of the triangle is 1/2 AB sine of C, which means 1/2 of two sides and then sine of the angle in the middle. It looks like I only know one side, but these are both a radius. So this over here is 21 also. And it's like this in any circle, the radii, more than one radius, is always the same. So now I know that those are both 21, and that's 97. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 times 21 times 21 times the sine of 97. All right, because that works for any triangle. The two sides, the angle has to be in the middle of those two sides. So 0.5 times 21 times 21 times the sine of 97. So 218.856. So 218.856. And I'm just going to subtract those two. And the calculator, I'm just going to grab the numbers. So that one minus that one is 154.44. Round to the 100. And when you're doing any of this stuff, I don't round anything until the very, very end. So I just keep using all the decimals like that. So if you do round in the middle of the problems, it's possible that you're going to be off by a few hundredths in your Schoology quizzes. So I would suggest you just don't round. There's no need to because you have a calculator and you can go back and grab all the numbers. But if you do round and it causes you to miss a question in Schoology, you don't need to redo it until you get the right thing. You can just leave it. If you are obsessed with having that, score the right, you can send me a message and I'll look at it. And as long as you're, reasonably okay with your rounding, I'll give you credit for it. So it'll update your score.